Hi, we're here at the Yuko booth at SHOT Show 2026 talking about the Hannigan crossbar knife. This is the newest knife that is going to be released in May. We have a Nitro V blade with tie-nye coating, a thumb disc for easy opening, and a crossbar lock with G10 scales. So how it works is you just pull back these, the blade drops, and you close it like that. And then to open it, you use the thumb stud and open it up like that. And it locks into place.
All right. And you have three versions of one knife, or
These are all different.
all right.
Yep. So I could do this Tinkum. So we're here at the Yuko booth at SHOT Show 2026, and we're talking about the Yuko Tinkum 2.0. The Yuko Tinkum 2.0 is made with D2 steel, has a thumb disc, a pocket clip right here, and an easy to open thumb disc here with a liner lock. So to close it, you just move the liner lock over like that and close it, and then to open it, you just open it like that.
All right. Perfect. And the medium model?
We're at SHOT Show 2026 at the Yuko booth, and we're talking about the Yuko Whidbey push-fold knife. The Whidbey push-fold knife is a liner lock knife that you push the button to fold it in. It is made of D2 steel, has a thumb disc to help with the easy opening, as well as glass reinforced nylon scales. You close it just like that, and then you open it just like that.
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.